Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. We have to talk about the straight line motion of an object with the help of this speed time graph, and we have to show the straight line motion of an object. As we know, we have an object which is moving with initial velocity vi, and after some time t, its velocity becomes vf. And as you know, its velocity has been changed. So the change in velocity is actually vf minus vi. This is change in velocity, and when we divide it with time, then it becomes rate of change of velocity, which is called the acceleration of that moving object. Okay, now we have an object, it's moving in a straight line, its initial velocity is vi, its acceleration, its final velocity is vf, it takes time t, and it has some acceleration a, and it also covers some distance. So we have to show all these things with the help of a speed time graph. So here we have got this graph here, we have x-axis and we also have y-axis. We take time along x-axis and speed along y-axis, and we have this point A. So OA shows the initial velocity of the object, and we have this slope AB, which shows the change in velocity with respect to time OT. So we take a dotted line, we draw a dotted line here, and we get OT. So it means the moving object takes time OT, and then its velocity becomes vf. We have velocity here as vf, its velocity becomes vf in time t. Okay, and we draw a dotted line here, this dotted line, and this is point C. OA shows the initial velocity of that move. OA and CD both show the initial velocity of the object, and OD is the time, and BD is the final velocity of the object, which is VF, and slope AB shows the acceleration of that moving object, and then we have the distance. So this shaded area under the slope AB actually shows the acceleration of that moving object. Okay, now it means this graph shows that, hey guys, I'm telling you the straight line motion of an object. I can speak, now look at me, and I tell you, what do I tell you? I tell you that OA is equal